welcome back. Today we're going to do some instrument flying, so I've deliberately put a big load of horrible clouds there. So we're going to fly up into the clouds and we're going to do some manoeuvres in the aircraft purely on instruments with no visual references at all. Okay, I'm sure you can do it, we're well up for it. Let's get up there. Just taking off from Gibraltar. And I'm going to get the map up. There we are, heading out into the bay. All we need to be aware of are local terrain heights. Rock of Gibraltar 1,400 feet high, so we're going to head off out into the sea and do our exercises out there away from the land. Okay, 1,000 feet and we are in clouds, so we're going to keep climbing on 180 until we are higher than the Rock of Gibraltar. We'll go to 2,000 feet and then we'll head east. It's good practice climbing on heading, on instruments, in cloud. Trying to maintain southerly heading, watching the altimeter climb, got 10 degrees on the artificial horizon. Just going to do basic things. We're going to do climbing, descending, staying on course, turning, rate 1 turns, steep 30-degree turns, that sort of thing. This is something you need to be familiar with because you will come up against cloud from time to time and you have to know this stuff. Okay, coming up to 2,000 feet. We are going to level off at 2,000 feet. Not quite there. A little bit more. There we go. And try and practice plus or minus 100 feet if you can. Try and stay within that. Okay. Trim. Throttle back. Still heading south. Trim, get over the trim right. If it's trimmed in, you should be able to take your hands off the controls. Okay, we're now going to turn left, level turn. Rate 1 turn, and we're going to try and turn onto an easterly heading. Rate 1. So we want dot di dot altitude. Think of that in your head. Dot di dot altitude. It's the dot on the artificial horizon, the direction indicator, and the altimeter. Altimeter, as they say in England. heading, roll out. Slightly before. There we are, we're east. We've lost about 300 feet. So we'll regain that. Gibraltar should be off to our left. So I want you to do this, I want you to try level turns to the left, level turns to the right. Do a 360, do a 360 the other way, rate one turn. Practice that. And then practice climbing and turning, and then descending and turning. We're just keeping it in a straight line on heading. We're giving altitude, all trimmed in, hands off the controls, no one's spinning and dying. Okay, try that. It's good fun.